Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. Now, regulators, Jamaica Racing Commission is promising the incident which led to the abandonment of the race meet at Caymanas Park on Monday will be investigated by the Board of Commission. Denise Walters has this TVJ Sports follow-up.
The JRC say they strive to provide world-class horse racing regulation to their stakeholders and in particular the betting public, and they understand the negative economic impact the abandonment of the race meet will have on the promoters, owners, trainers, jockeys and grooms.
The betting public is very much a part of the fabric of our racing industry, and we want to ensure that at all times our decisions are in line with international best practices. This is for that reason we will be looking into the matter. The Board of Commissioners has already summoned or asked for the reports.
The issue?
The stewards, and make no mistake about it, not one person but rather a panel of stewards, they reviewed race number 2, and after reviewing race number 2, in their opinion, they saw where there was interference and intimidation.
However, pandemonium broke out after the inquiry, as the winner took a punt where the Samantha Fletcher board was disqualified, placed behind My Sunshine in third for causing intimidation and interference to that horse and its rider Omar Walker, with Salud ridden by title-chasing jockey Radish Roman given the race.
Well, basically what I saw is that Omar Walker horse is the horse that made the contact with Samantha Fletcher horse. And then now, because the jockey has been sticking in the left hand, Omar Walker has lean and go on to him. And I see Samantha Fletcher has done nothing. I speak to even the connection of Omar Walker's horse. And them says, it's Omar Fletcher disqualified and not Samantha Fletcher. But based on what I'm seeing here, I wonder if there's a beef between Samantha and the stewards.
In a race like this now, them don't like Omar Walker, Samantha Fletcher come to the steward room, hear the two sides and say, what happened at the race?
Like, what is that? That is very poor. That's very poor. I agree with the punters, whatever them do, I agree with them.
We have a steward, she needs to come drop her socks. This one needs to take strong against her, because more one time she do this thing. That's why the punter didn't have to stand up.
There is this request to the commission.
That the commissioner need to get proper stewards who are accredited and take up the little people off of the road and come be steward.
And what you need in racing, I grew up in racing, you need stewards who are from the industry, who have many decades of experience, and they make the right decision. You can't take people with degree and theories. You need to put people who have the horsemanship and who can make the right decision.
The Commission is reminding there's a process and is encouraging appeals for any matter that occurs from a race day decision. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Meanwhile, for the